I'm Kevin King with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to show you the replacement filter that you can use from Atomic for the EXPXXFIL0016 16x25x5. It's sometimes listed as 16x25x4. Filters are measured by a nominal size, which is a rounded size. So the actual size on these are the same. You can see this filter right here is the same as the EXPXXFIL with the end caps. It's the same size, it's the same width, even though they may be listed as two different sizes because they're labeled with the nominal size, which is a rounded size. So if you need to replace the EXPXXFIL and you want to get just the media and you have these black end caps on the filter, you can order that from Atomic Filters. We sell just the media, which will be in this smaller box, and we sell the whole kit if you don't have the end caps, or you can just replace it with a box filter from Atomic Filters. So the media is just this, and that is what would be in the box for the media. The part number for the media is the it's the EXPXXFIL0016. And that's the 16x25 for the EXPXXFIL. If you need a part number with the end caps, that's the EXPXXUNV0016. And that is the media, which is in the middle, that's the white part, and it has the plastic end caps, which are the black part on the filter. So if you're replacing it and you're just ordering the media, don't throw these away, because you'll need the end caps to build the filter. Or just order from Atomic. Atomic's rating on this filter is a higher rating than the actual carrier filter. This is a MERV 10, and the Atomic is a MERV 11, which is a slightly higher rating. This is an electrostatic filter. It's triboelectric, so it actually draws particles to the filter, and it's very efficient. We also make this in a MERV 13 as well. I'm going to list all of these products. You can purchase them by hitting the product button when you hover over this video, or you'll see the products underneath the video, and in the description in the video there's also links to all the products. And all the information and the sizing will be listed in the video as well, and it'll be listed in the description below the video. So you can find all these on Atomic Filters, and you can find links to the products in the video as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Atomic Filters.